Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to live stream full screen just like this on your PlayStation 5 with your PS5 camera on Twitch or YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So do you want to have a live stream when you're just live streaming just your face and you're not actually playing any kind of game? And you don't want the camera like as a small overlay somewhere on the screen, and you want to have it the entire screen. How would you go ahead and do this? Well, there's one way I found out that you can do this. Now let's go over to my PlayStation 5 and I'll show you. So if we start up the application called Sharefactory, now we can press the share button on our controller and open up this screen right here. Then go over to broadcast and start up your stream. Now you can go to YouTube or Twitch, just add your title in and then make it public. Then go to a new project under the video editor right here and select Cyberpunk or one of these themes and start it up. And it doesn't really matter what you call it or what you name it, so I'm just going to go to continue. Now under this screen, go to X, the plus icon, then go over to add track to. And when you do this, your camera will display right away. Now it's only like half screen. You can actually make it larger than this. Press triangle right now, and boom, your camera will now be kind of full screen. It's at like 85%. You still have the black bars everywhere. But on the PlayStation 4, you had something called AR Studio. They did not add this in on the PlayStation 5. So now we have to go under Sharefactory to go ahead and get the full screen effect with your PlayStation 5 camera when you're live streaming. Now you do have a bunch of settings under here. If you press X, you can go to like a cutout, you can go to a green screen or a white screen, and you can add even like a background under the cutout or the green screen. Let's go to backdrop here and add a backdrop and just add some clouds or something like this, and you can kind of make it cool and customize. So you can look at those different settings and see how you want to set it up. So now let's press square under this menu. Then we can go to camera tuning, and we have options like saturation, hue, contrast, sharpness. Just press X to confirm those settings. And then something else we can do is pan and zoom. I'm going to set this back to normal. So if I go to pan and zoom, I can zoom in on certain parts of my screen. So over here, I got my Google Play button, Bart Simpson, my Buddha, and then Bruce Lee down there with my EverQuest girl located in front of my Xbox controller. So you can kind of customize your camera a little bit and zoom in on certain areas. But this is how you can live stream full screen on your PlayStation 5 with the camera. If this video did indeed help you all, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.